Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoyed all my previous videos. In this video I will cover how to finish the punch needle project or any other embroidery project which you want to finish. Then you can refer this video. There are multiple ways, but in this video I have covered few. This is sunflower pattern I worked on some time back only. I thought today I will finish it. I will use it for this video. If you want to finish the project with the hoop on or the embroidery ring, if you want to keep the embroidery ring and you want to hang this, or like you want to gift or something like that, then you can just cover the back side of the hoop with the remaining fabric. You can just trim all the loose ends and then just use the running stitch and then cover it. How to do that I have shown that here, like you can refer. If you watch the complete video you will understand how to do the running stitch and how to cover this. Apart from the running stitch, if you want to completely cover the back side, you can use additional any like thin fabric, then just glue it. Otherwise you can stitch it as well. Here I have shown that method also. Apart from this, if you don't want to keep the hoop, because if you are not giving it to somebody, or like if you are doing too many projects, then every time if you have to buy the ring it will be difficult. So if you want to take out the hoop and just keep the fabric as a design, then you can use any thick sheet and you can glue it. You can cut the fabric into the shape which you want. In this case, maybe if I have to do this, then I will prefer round shape only. So I will just use any thick sheet and I will cut it into round shape, then just glue it. That is also another method. I have shown that also in this video. So here I am starting with running stitch. You have to secure the thread with 2-3 knots, otherwise since it is not a thick fabric, it will be a stitch will come out. So at any point you can start, and then just once you reach the starting point, just end it and then pull both the threads. So it will make a round shape. It will cover the hoop. Remaining fabric will cover the hoop. So you will understand if you look into this video. Go through the video and let me know in case if you have any comments. Thank you.